Welcome to my channel, my Showbiz Corner. Viewers, supporters, subscribers.
Hello Etiens, meron din palang sponsorship at partnership itong si Ken mula sa Off-White. Alam niyo ba ang Off-White, ang pinakasikat ngayon at luxurious brand mula Italia, ang nakadiskubre ay American designer. Ito ay mamahalin, famous, I think wala pa to sa Pilipinas. Mayroon na ba o wala? Please comment down below. Ito din pala, may partnership din pala itong Off-White kay Ken Sison, same like Josh Collin, kaya naman congratulations. Malaking opportunity din ito sa mga boys na mabilong at magkaroon ng sponsorship sa naturang famous brand na Off-White. Again, congratulations.
Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video and update. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching. God bless everyone, and always remember, be yourself and be a good one.